Today we're going to try something new. Apple pierogies. I wonder how many of you have ever tried that. Well, for us in this household, we haven't tried these yet. But one of our favorite pierogi makers, which is Papa Sarge, so it's Papa Sarge's Perogies. We enjoy these as potato and cheese and sauerkraut, all kinds of flavors that are typical meals. But this is more like a dessert pierogi. So I bought these from a fundraiser, and this is actually made in Bath, PA. If you can't find these in your area, that's where they're from. But let's see how this works. I'm going to take the frozen pierogies and put them in a little boiling water. When they start to float to the top, I'm going to put them in a pan with some butter, melted butter, and then we're going to top them with cinnamon and sugar. So let's get them in. I got the boiling water going here, and I'm just going to make sure they're separated and toss them into the water. Alright, they're all separated, and the water slowed down a little bit, but we're going to watch until they come up to the surface. In the meantime, I'm going to take a half a stick of butter here and warm it up in the frying pan on the front burner. And then I'm going to prepare the topping, which is just a little bit of white sugar, and we're going to add some cinnamon, kind of like you would make cinnamon toast. You can use as much as you like for how much you love your cinnamon. Alright, that's all ready to go. We'll set that aside. Alright, now our butter is melted and the pierogies are starting to float here. So we want to get them into the melted butter. Some people will fry these in oil or deep fry them. But for today, I like this combination. It's how I usually make potato pierogies. I boil them first and then introduce them into some nice butter. That way we're not using too much oil and butter in them, just on the final process. And then we'll just, as they're browning up here, we'll just keep turning them until they get a nice brown on them, until they're done. I'm going to turn them over onto a serving plate. Flipping them over because that side will be coated really good with butter, and that's what I want to have for the brown, for the sugar and cinnamon to stick. See if we can get them all in here. Alright, while they're nice and hot, I'm just going to sprinkle them with a nice little dose of topping. Now think about where you would like to eat these. You could eat these for breakfast, you could eat these for a snack, dessert, and there's different ways that you could serve them. some people suggested to me, well, you could eat them with a scoop of ice cream on top, or you could save them for later and eat them like apple hand pies after you put them in the refrigerator and make them cold. It's a nice little snack to grab. All right, here they are. We're ready to try them. Let's have a tasting. But the filling is very hot inside.
It's like a McDonald's apple pie.
Yeah, be careful.
Crunchy. It's good.
You like it? It's more like an apple pie than a pierogi.
Yeah, I forgot it was a pierogi. It's good.
Yeah, if you can get some of these Sarge's pierogies, they're really good. And the potato ones are good too. We like them. If you can't get apple pierogies, try making some of your own, right? To start with from scratch.
Yeah, some people do. It's good.
I like it.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks for watching our video. Trying something new. Have a good day.